Welcome to the Braumm Wi-Fi door and window alarm operation instructions video. Here's what you do when you leave the house. First, set to door icon for away mode. The sensor auto arms 5 seconds after switch to door icon. Change to alarm. Or you can also arm the sensor by pressing the padlock button, or arm it on the app wherever you are. When pressing the arm or disarm button on the phone, the sensor will be armed or disarmed immediately. Here's what you do when you come home. After the door is open, the sensor will start blinking green, and you have 30 seconds to enter the passcode to disarm the alarm. Or you can disarm on the app before getting home. Here's what you do to protect your family with instant alarm. First, change to house icon. The alarm will go off immediately when the door is open. Next, change to alarm, or arm it on the app wherever you are. Stop intruders with instant alarm, and push notifications alerting you of alarm event. Disarm from the keypad or disarm the alarm from the app from wherever you are.